By default, 8GB ang memory nito. Pero sa atin dito sa Laptop Factory, exclusive siya na 16GB. Alright guys, so meron tayong bagong unit ito. Ito yung pinaka-bagong gaming laptop ni ASUS. And ang sabi nila, ito ang magiging pinaka-competitive na cheapest gaming laptops nila. Ang base variant nila is actually 8GB. But this one is customized 16GB. Pero may mga variants na naka 40 or 50 series. Comes with a bag. So this tray, actually, pwede mong gawing laptop stand. So the unit. And ilalim, no, napansin ko napakaliit ng mga ventilations niya dito sa intake. Backlit keyboard is color blue. Ang hawak natin dito is Intel Core 5. The video card na hawak natin, this is actually an RTX 4050. So meron din ditong ASUS support na QR code. And then there's a sticker from ASUS here. Now let's talk about the ports. Now we got here an HDMI, USB Type A, Type C, and audio combo jack, and yung saksakan. On the other side, we got here a single USB Type A. So this will be the cheapest gaming laptop ng ASUS. Sabi nila, it will be competitive. As in, sobrang baba ng presyo na ito. In case that you're interested, meron na tayong mga models ng 30 series, 40 series, and soon magkakaroon tayong 50 series nito.